Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix keyboard not working on your iPhone. So, let's get started. First, check for any external devices. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Scroll down to My Devices section and make sure no external keyboard or device is connected. If you see any connected device, disconnect it and try typing again. Next, check if the issue is happening in a specific app. Try using the keyboard in another app like Notes or Messages. If the keyboard works there, then the problem is with that particular app, so update or reinstall it. If the keyboard is not working in any app, then go to Settings, General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset. Here, tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This will remove saved words but won't delete your personal data. After that, manage your keyboards. Go to Settings, General, Keyboard, Keyboards. Remove any extra keyboards and then add them again. For testing, keep only the default keyboard and emoji keyboard. If the issue still continues, perform a force restart. Quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This won't delete your data. It simply refreshes the system. Now, check for a software update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install the latest iOS version if available. Finally, if nothing works, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset. Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and confirm. This will reset system settings but won't delete your personal data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.